Guys, you tried to reset your Facebook password, but Facebook considered it as a suspicious activity and your account got stuck on login approval needed screen. And you uploaded your document there to prove your identity, but Facebook rejected your document and you got a message saying identity not confirmed. And now you're looking for a solution everywhere on internet but not getting any working solution for this problem. Then don't worry guys, I'm here for you. Today we will deal with this problem and we'll try to get the access back. And as always, you will see the live proof in this video, so stay tuned. And guys, this is Asim Arif, and without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly guys, you need to open the browser that you use most often to log into your Facebook account. I normally use the Chrome browser for this account specifically, so I will open this and then let's log in the account here. Okay, here you can see this account is stuck on login approval needed page. And this problem normally occurs when we try to reset our password from an unknown device or browser that Facebook don't recognize. Okay, let's proceed, tab on continue. And when I got this problem, I uploaded the document here to prove the identity, but unfortunately Facebook rejected the document and I got this email. We couldn't confirm your identity, please upload a different ID. So now we will see how to get access to our account back without using a different ID, okay? So what you have to do, simply take the screenshot of this page and keep in mind don't log out your account, okay? And then in the search bar, type report or login issue Facebook. And guys, you have to follow me as it is step by step if you want to resolve this issue, okay? So let's search this. Then scroll down and tab on report problems with logging in. I will also leave this form's link in the video's description so that you don't get any trouble finding it, okay? So after opening it, you will see this contact form. Now here we have to explain what's the problem. Here you don't have to use your mind. I have written a proper description for you. Just go to the description of this video and then simply copy this description from there and then simply paste it here. The only thing you need to replace is the name and the date of birth. So at the end of this description, write the name and the date of birth as listed in your Facebook account and document, okay? After that, simply scroll down, tab on choose file and upload a screenshot here. Then review once everything is correct, okay? Now scroll down and tap on the send button at the bottom of the page. Okay, now again in the search bar type confirm your identity Facebook. Then scroll down and you need to open this second link titled confirm your identity, okay? I will also leave its link in the video description. Now simply you have to upload your government issued document. The most recommended documents are passport, driving license or national ID card. You can use any one of them, but make sure the name and the date of birth mentioned in your document should exactly match with your Facebook account. And you have to capture a new fresh picture while doing this process. Make sure there is a proper lighting, corners are not cut and everything can be read clearly, especially the name, picture and the date of birth in your document, okay? So if you will follow me step by step, then definitely you will get access to your account back. So after uploading your document, simply tap on the send button and then just wait for some time here so that it can get uploaded to the Facebook server. And that's it. These are the only forms we needed to submit, and now we just need to wait for max 7 days. Don't log in your account during this time period. You can check if your account is back or not by searching it from your friend's account, okay? And if it's visible there, it means your account is back and then you can log in. Now I will be back after some days. Guys, I am back after 2 days and you can see the date here, it's 28th of March, and there is good news guys, our Facebook account is finally back. So let's open the Chrome browser and then let's enter the email address and password here to log in our account. And then boom guys, you can see our account is finally back. Here it's the same name and the profile picture. And one thing that you should know is you will not get any email from Facebook team, and your account will be recovered directly without any email response from Facebook. Okay, and now I think there is nothing to show you more as a proof in this video. So guys, this was all about today's video. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, give this video a huge thumbs up, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will catch you in the next one. Till that, goodbye.